This is my Roubaix Pro frame for a build project. I removed the specialised factory fitted cups and bearings from the carbon OSBB shell. I want to fit some campy power torque cranks. The 25mm diameter shaft sits in bearings in external cups. Now Seabear in Belgium make the perfect alloy sleeve adapter to convert my carbon OSBB shell, which is 46mm diameter and 62mm wide, into the old standard BSC threaded 68mm wide bottom bracket. To install the adapter sleeve, I need a relatively inexpensive bottom bracket press, a couple of washers with foam backing to protect the frame paint on the non-drive side, and a little carbon paste for the end flanges of the adapter. I also smeared a little the paste to the inside surface of the carbon shell. Now to install it. Fit the press tool shaft through the adapter sleeve. The chamfered edge on the adapter makes it easy to engage in the shell. Then the thrust washer with the foam side to the frame. And then the press nut. Make sure that the adapter and the tool are square with the shell. Now for the serious part of pressing the adapter into the sleeve. It starts fairly easily. The OD of the adapter flange is 46.04mm, while the ID of the carbon shell is between 45.7 and 45.9. That's on the outer edges of it. So I'd expect a firm interference fit. With the first flange fully inserted, it starts to get a little tighter. Now it's really tight, and you can see it grabbing and letting go as more force is applied. However, press on, as they say. It seems to be over that hump now, and it's fairly smooth again. Until we get to the second flange where it starts to engage in the shell. Now with about 5mm to go, we need to stop. Now over to the left-hand side. The non-drive side of the adapter sleeve will protrude by about 3mm from the carbon shell when it's fully home. I need to insert a clearance washer. Which is just an annular piece of MDF with some protective foam. Then replace the thrust washer and the press nut. Centralise the clearance washer and firm it up. Now back to the drive side for the final sprint. It is quite tight still. But I don't reckon even Mars or Kill would make it creak, let alone my 60 kilos. Done. The drive side flange is now flush with the frame, and the non-drive side, of course, protrusion will be covered by the cat. Well, that's the end of stage 1 of this tour to build.